Hey everyone, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. I'm so glad you're here because today we're diving into a topic that's absolutely transforming the world as we know it, AI and manufacturing. We're talking robots, smart factories, and a level of efficiency that would make Henry Ford's head spin. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get started. Now, I know what you might be thinking. AI and manufacturing sounds pretty abstract, but trust me, this stuff is anything but. Today, we're going beyond the buzzwords and diving into concrete, real-world examples of how AI is revolutionizing the way things are made. First up, let's talk about predictive maintenance. Imagine this. Instead of waiting for a critical piece of equipment to break down and halt your entire production line, AI steps in to save the day. By analyzing data from sensors embedded in machinery, AI algorithms can actually predict potential failures before they happen. It's like having a crystal ball for your factory. One company that's nailing this is Ford. Using something called digital twins, which are virtual representations of their physical assets, Ford can monitor every aspect of their production line in real time. These digital twins, powered by AI, allow Ford to optimize everything, from energy consumption to equipment maintenance, with incredible accuracy. We're talking about huge cost savings and a massive boost to efficiency. But it doesn't stop there. AI is also revolutionizing supply chain management. Think about the incredibly complex journey a product takes from raw materials to your doorstep. It's a logistical dance, and AI is the choreographer, making sure everything runs smoothly. Take Walmart, for example. They're using AI to predict customer demand, optimize their inventory, and streamline their entire supply chain. That means fewer delays, lower costs, and products getting to customers faster than ever before. Now, some of you might be worried that AI will lead to job losses in manufacturing. But here's a fascinating twist. AI is actually paving the way for a new era of human-robot collaboration in the workplace. We're talking about cobots, or collaborative robots, that are designed to work alongside humans. Companies like Amazon are already using cobots in their fulfillment centers to help with tasks like picking and packing orders. These cobots are equipped with AI that allows them to learn from humans and adapt to changing environments, making them invaluable partners on the factory floor. Of course, we can't talk about manufacturing without talking about quality control. And you guessed it, AI is transforming this area too. By leveraging the power of computer vision, AI algorithms can now spot defects and imperfections in products with far greater accuracy than any human inspector could ever hope to achieve. Foxconn, the electronics manufacturing giant, is a prime example of this. They've incorporated AI-powered visual inspection systems into their production lines, ensuring that every smartphone, tablet, and laptop that rolls off the assembly line meets their incredibly high standards. This not only reduces defects, but also speeds up the entire manufacturing process. So, as you can see, AI is already having a profound impact on the manufacturing industry. But this is just the tip of the iceberg, my friends. The future of AI in manufacturing is brimming with possibilities. Imagine a world where factories are completely autonomous, with AI managing every aspect of production from start to finish. We're talking about self-learning robots, predictive maintenance that eliminates downtime, and personalized products tailored to each customer's unique desires. But it's not just about robots taking over. The real magic happens when we combine the power of AI with human ingenuity and creativity. Imagine engineers working side by side with AI systems, designing and building products that were once thought impossible. That's the future I'm excited about.